Manufacturing is essential to the American economy in the 21st century, and the future of manufacturing requires a highly skilled, technologically savvy workforce. That workforce is suffering from a critical talent shortage. The Marshall Advanced Manufacturing Center, or MAMC, in Huntington, West Virginia, is recognized as a national leader in bridging the skills gap in American manufacturing. Apprenticeship Works, its national apprenticeship program, is helping businesses of all sizes, from sole proprietors to Fortune 500, to develop the skilled talent they need to thrive. President of Marshall University and a motivating force at the Advanced Manufacturing Center is Brad D. Smith, Marshall alumni and former CEO of Intuit.
The Marshall Advanced Manufacturing Center provides tailored, customized solutions to help prepare the workforce for the 21st century. We do this by empowering manufacturers and makers, help them move their innovative ideas from concept to end market. And we do this by providing expertise and leading-edge technology that they can get access to so that their individual employees and their future employees can get the skills and the training they need to participate in this 21st century.
MAMC offers training in exciting new skill areas, including the first ever Additive Manufacturing Apprenticeship, developed along with the National Additive Manufacturing Innovation Institute, America Makes, industry partners, and the U.S. Department of Labor.
The Department of Labor reached out to us. They saw us develop an apprenticeship with a large corporation with multiple sites around the country, and they liked the model that we used. The approach that we took was really probably the secret sauce. We worked directly with the employer to develop what they need and customized what was on offer to fit their need. And that employer is still using the apprenticeship program. And the Department of Labor really liked our mindset, which is let's meet industry where they are, be flexible, be customizable, and deliver the best that a higher education center for advanced manufacturing has to offer, but do it with an industry mindset and be nimble.
Apprenticeship Works really wants to focus on serving the employers. We provide a customer service person to each employer that we're working with. They serve as an intermediary to DOL. We get them through all the parts that they may not be able to do themselves. And we really pride ourselves on that customer service with the company.
The Marshall Advanced Manufacturing Center has assisted more than 6,300 manufacturers across the country and delivered training to almost 30,000 individuals. The focus is on training in high-value skills that will be in demand for decades to come. New technologies such as 3D printing and robotics. MAMC not only partners with large employers nationally, but also smaller businesses and individual entrepreneurs.
My company is Level 1 Fasteners, and it basically manufactures nuts and bolts and studs for the Navy. For the submarines are our main customers, as well as the aircraft carriers. Fasteners means basically nuts and bolts and studs and things that hold bits and pieces onto submarines and ships. It's a family business. It was started by my grandfather and my father in 1959. Our parts have really high tolerance. They're very special materials, the super alloys and things like that. Our relationship with the Marshall Advanced Manufacturing Center is several-fold, actually. So one, we hire their apprentices if we need employees. Two, we have an apprenticeship program. We do training on the job, and they get paid just like a regular employee. They go through the classes, but they get the training with us. The collaboration with the center has really provided us with employees that have more technical skill early on and have the ability to do more advanced programming. It just allows new people to get up to speed quicker. Their graduates are highly sought after.
The apprentice gets put on a pathway for professional development and a pathway to grow their skill sets with that company that they're working for. On the job, hands-on training, that's what it's all about. The employer is going to gain a training playbook for their company and a pathway to continue this over multiple years. Allows you another way to upskill current workers and put them on a pathway for professional development to increase loyalty, reduce turnover, and fill those difficult workforce shortages your company's facing.
Companies large and small can benefit from this forward thinking. MAMC is also inspiring individual entrepreneurs to take advantage of all the center has to offer.
I moved back to West Virginia, where I'm originally from, to stay near my parents. I heard about some type of robotic machining, manufacturing at Marshall. And just on the off chance, I called down here and talked to one of the counselors, Carol, and came down for a tour. They walked me through the process of what these robotic machines could do, and I was pretty much hooked. I learned how to run a variety of different machining centers. There's vertical machines, Swiss turns, 5-axis machines, and it's all one-on-one instruction. With that training, I was then able to turn around and start designing and producing my own parts. Or local businesses would present me with blueprints and ask me if I could make that part for them. And that's basically how the business started. Within the first month, I had orders for over 3,000 parts.
We believe it's the combination of having great skilled trades, great innovative research, and bringing those two together in the 21st century that will create the biggest inventions for our communities. So what gets me excited about the Advanced Manufacturing Center is it's an and, it's not an or. We bring people in, we get them exposed to the newest, most innovative technologies, we teach them the skills they need, and then they go out and they have a big impact in the community.
To learn more about Apprenticeship Works and all the innovative programs offered by the Marshall Advanced Manufacturing Center, visit mfg.marshall.edu or our website, InsideTheBlueprint.com.